how to send money from UAE to Uganda using Botim for your very first time. Yeah, so remember the other video I did, I think was in 2023. I didn't show you how to, like the very first time you haven't attached your ATM and all those things. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly from the beginning, like if you're just starting the first time. As you can see, our first two transactions are free. This is my new Botim, yeah. All right, updated version 2025. Right, so you just click where you see international transfers, and then you come to, as you can see, you can just click on send money. If you're sending to Uganda, yes, sending to Kenya, just click and choose Kenya. So choose method before you add in any beneficiaries. You can just choose which wallet you're going to use, or with the receiver's best option for you, whether it's the bank transfer, whether it's wallet as in MTN, Airtel, those ones, or you want a cash pickup. For the first two transactions it's going to be free, and then for the next ones they charge 10. I think 10 AEDs, they're so far the cheapest, yeah, because Western Union I think is 15 plus VAT. Yeah, all right. So then you choose a relationship, it's family member or whatever it is for you, and then you put their first name. Their first name is, as you know, first name yani Martha. But if they have a middle name, if they have three names, the middle one is the middle name, then the last name is the surname, yeah, or the second name. All right, so then the mobile number, it's already pre-filled in, that is 256 since we selected Uganda. And then you just put in the, like if it's 0782, so you just put from 782, yeah, since the +25 is already pre-filled. And then when it comes to wallet, you choose either MTN or Airtel. So this is mine. Some of you ask me, like, the wallet, you don't put the plus, just put 256 and then continue. All right, I hope that's very clear. And then add another beneficiary if you want to, but then okay, we just want to transfer now. All right, I don't know what that noise is, but it's outside. Anyway, so sorry, this is the current exchange rate. These things are live, so yeah, they put the current exchange rate, all right, as you go. And if you want to change again, it will be the updated current exchange rate, right? So now you put in the amount in AED, that is dirhams. So if you're sending 1000 dirhams, or you're sending 5, but then the starting is 5 AED, yeah. Komitan is a Uganda kali, let me just say 5000 Uganda shillings, it's 5 AED, the minimum that you can send, right? So the amount that you've put, then they'll show you the amount that the person in Uganda is going to receive, or is expected to receive, according to the current exchange rate. All right, again, this transaction is going to be free since this is my new BTC. Oh wow, Botim account. I changed the number and I did a new Botim account, yeah. So you check out the other video when I was showing you how to activate your Botim account, yeah. So transaction details, so you have to, UAE things, yeah. You have to put the purpose of transaction. Is it business? What is it? Is salary? Is it what? Okay, the source, is it salary? Is it savings? And all those things. Just make sure you're sending to someone you know. Don't send money to someone that you don't know, or a stranger. All right, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, take full responsibility of your finances. So if everything is nice and clean, then you can click on confirm, and then they will show you a a preview of how everything is. The amount is that, You see, the service charge is 00, VAT is 00. Cut one or two with this one, then also we shall have another one free. Then after that it will be 10 flat. There's no another VAT or what, it's just 10. Yeah. Okay. So if everything is okay, then you pay now. Cut this one. They had to keep this screen black because it's personal information. Yeah. So you have to add pay now. You have to choose this somewhere they showed me. If you have already sent money on your Botim, okay, just use your Botim pay. If your money is on the ATM or your debit card or whatever card you have, or Visa card, yeah, you just add a new card. Okay, you can attach a new card. That's why I clicked on the new card. Then you put your details, your card number, the name, the CVV, the expiry date. You know that's sensitive information, yeah, so they will not allow you to record that. All right, so guys, if you like this video, kindly subscribe, and if it's your very first time here, you're most welcome. This is Atutaka Solutions. My name is Martha Kemirembe. On this channel we do tech, business and investment tips, and that is everything done. You just confirm, and it's just like, I think it was realized in less than 10 minutes. Yeah, so as you can see, the transaction is in progress. Transaction submitted, done, transaction in progress, like that, until it will reach 100. Yeah, so even these days you can do a receipt, you can request for a receipt and everything like that. Yeah, so they will put the sender's name, the receiver number, everything, the date to be expected date. You can say it's the next day, but this is money in minutes. I mean literally less than 10 minutes the money will have been released or realized the other side. Yeah, and if you have any questions, can leave them in the comments down below. If you need one-on-one tutorials or question answered on one-on-one, kindly check out my Telegram link. It's on the description of this video and in the homepage. Until next time, bye bye.